No, he's gonna say, I want to catch it on camera.
He's gonna be like,
money, money. Money, 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 bag. We're gonna make a video on how these alarms are going off and nobody's doing anything about it. And then we're gonna send it to the Taunton Gazette. The Gazelle. I thought it was the Taunton Gazelle. I'm not gonna lie, like when I saw it from a distance, I was like, oh, it's the Taunton Gazelle.
it's like an animal?
Hell yeah, like off of, what is it? No, over, so everyone, hold on, let me cut the light on so everyone can see it better. This light probably won't do any, no improvement. Alright, so we're gonna move this chair, and we're gonna show you guys how these freaking alarms have been going off for like an hour straight, and nobody's responding to it, and we're gonna die in this fire. Oh my god, that's really aggravating. Oh my god. Come down here. I need you to make sure that doesn't close. What if we just came out like this house? The alarms are going off. No responses. So we could be dead in a fire. And there's no ambulance, no nothing.
And the fire department is very sweet.
I'm saying, it is walking distance and they cannot hear that. That's ridiculous. This little mail hole. Oh my god. Go. It's so aggravating. Oh my god. That makes
It's louder now.
hell yeah. Callie's scared. Callie, show your face. Say hi. You can't really see it. There she is. I'm gonna die. And it's hot as ever in this house. We have... Oh, let me move this chair back. Before I kick my toe later. Like break it or something. One AC. Two ACs over there in the corner. Can't see it. Two ACs. Fucking. Then got the third one over here. We finally, we've been going down slowly. We got it to 68 degrees and stuff. And that's just how it goes. Not cutting it. And then there's like a little fly going around that thingy because he wants to stick himself on there, but he's not gonna.
Why y'all cheering for that? Y'all
Why y'all cheering for that?
You're like, yeah, we love when they bought
Hey.
fans back. We got
I have a hole in my pocket, everyone. Look.
when someone puts you on blast in front of a group of people. You got something in your teeth. Never cool. Let's see. We got A-Dubs 3189. It's not cool when you try and find your own lane.
Anyways, say adios.
Aisha, it's not cool when women try to rock weed.
Adios.